Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well by the grace of God. Students, once again I am with you, and today I am going to teach you English literature from your NCERT book, the main book, First Flight. The prose, chapter 2, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom. I have already started this chapter, and in my previous lecture I already explained about Nelson Mandela, who is Nelson Mandela and why he has become so popular or the world famed personality. And he was born in July 1918 and died in 2013. And Mandela, he was the first black president of South Africa. And the story starts with the swearing in ceremony in Pretoria, a very significant place in South Africa. Many dignitaries, political personalities, they were present, and with full honor, Nelson Mandela took oath as the first black president of South Africa. So guys, today I am going to finish the chapter, or I am going to teach you the remaining part of the chapter